Hello, Purni coach. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Ignite your lives. I'm really blessed to have your contact. And now these all 5 days were really power packed. I got very good contacts in this course and I learned many things from others too. So, first of all, I learned how to balance our family and also the career. I overcame all my negative thoughts and I feel the impact of this positive energy in me. All these 21 days followed were really good. I started cooking new dishes and I can see the smiling face in my family, my kid. I started spending too much of time with my kid now. I started playing with her, doing all these drawings and paintings and cooking new dishes daily, and I called my many of my college mates, many of my school friends. Okay, they were very happy to speak to me. And yes, I overcame all my negative thoughts up to like 70 to 75%. Okay. So this positive energy is really awesome. Getting too much of positive thoughts daily. It's amazing. Thank you very much for this opportunity, coach. I'm really blessed to have it. Thank you.